Alright, so here's my next project. I've got picked up an old bench grinder here. I've got a bench grinder, but it's only a small one. This one's a little bit bigger, and hopefully it's a little bit stronger. It's got some good grinding wheels on it. So what I'm going to do is, we'll pull it apart, clean it up, give it a good service, and stick it in the shed. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit everything with some WD-40. So we'll just give it a little squirt in here. Every single thing that's going to come off, just hit it with a little squirt of this stuff, and what it does, gets into the threads and just makes it so it's a little bit easier to undo. And then hopefully you can use all these nuts and bolts and screws again. So try and hit everything, just let it soak in. Only takes a few seconds. By the time you get round to each one of it, they will have been soaked in, and that should do for the while. So we're going to take these covers off the ends, clean up these guards and everything. So while that's soaking in, I'll start undoing it. Alright, so I've undone all the screws to get this cover off, and I just wanted to show you in here. So don't get tricked by this. So this is a left-handed thread, so you have to actually tighten it up to undo it. So you just jam something here, hold it. I've got some thick gloves, and I've hit it again with some WD-40, and then you should just be able to unscrew this. Now, it's don't be fooled, this is actually loosened before I picked up the camera, so we'll get this off. Got a good grinding wheel here, and take this off in here, and then we should be able to undo those screws. Let me just put the camera down. Alright, so sorry about that, I've got it off, and we'll just undo these 3 screws here, and then this whole cover should come off. Alright, so here's another trick I just wanted to show you. I've just taken these screws out, but I put these back in. So as you're taking apart something like this, look at this, I've already got some screws here, I've got screws over here, this is a little parts tray, and then as you start going put it back together, you might get a little bit confused. So if you just keep the screws together, put them back in, and then you know which ones are the right ones. Alright, let's have a look at this. I finished the grinder, cleaned it all up and put it back together, and it's now standing on the stand here, just inside the garage door. Got to plug around the other side there to plug it in. So I've cleaned it all up, bolted it onto the stand, and I've actually put one of these, this is just a polishing cloth. Don't know whether it works or not, we'll have a look, because when I used it first time, lots of rag stuff came out of it, and I've just put the best grinding stone on it. So to pull it apart, you undo these screws here, and it's got pressed bearings into these housings, so it just comes apart. And I've just touched it up with a bit of paint, the best colour paint I could to match it. And there you go. So still got to put the little resting bracket on here and the Perspex shield, so I've just hit them with a little bit of zinc coating. And there you go, job done.